Good morning, friends. Good morning, masters. I welcome you all for today's session. Okay, so we are going to understand how meditation helps to manifest our goals. Every one of us have the goals in the life. That is what we study for many years, degree, post graduation, and so on, right? So somebody complete engineering, somebody complete B Pharmacy, somebody completes BSc, someone completes BA. With the goal of having a job. Someone completed MBA with the goal of having a company or a business, entrepreneur. So some goal should be there for everyone. Then why everyone is not being successful? There are 100 people in a class. All the 100 people want to get a job. But right now in the situation in India, only 20 to 30% of people are getting a job. Remaining 70 to 80% people are unemployed. Why it's happening? So we need to understand the root cause. Whenever you wanted to manifest your goal, we need to have the skills required or the knowledge required. We have to work for that. And also, we have to change our belief system. We all get belief system from the sources: family, friends, then relatives, neighbors, all this. So, and where we studied college, the professors or who, whatever it is. So, all these are already formed. So you wanted to achieve something in your life, but your limiting belief says that you are not eligible or you are not worth of happening that. Then we go down. Then again we change our goal. Then again in that there is something. Then again we go down. We change our belief. So this is happening. We are changing the goals. Instead of that, we have to change our belief system, my dear friends. Now I'm going to show an example. Okay, now I'll guide you for setting your own goal and to manifest it and to visualize about it. Now, for an example, I'm running a successful company as CEO with 100 employees in 2 years. This is the goal set by someone in 2020, assume. By 2022, they want to have a company with 100 employees. The thoughts are the CEO of the company with 100 employees, successful company, becomes CEO within 2 years. Now feelings, fulfillment. So I have to fulfill my dream, pride, and grateful. You should be very grateful to yourself and empowered. So how you are going to handle that? Now the limiting beliefs. The moment they set the goal, the limiting beliefs coming. in the mind, logical mind, I do not have business experience and hence it is difficult. So I don't have a business experience or my family is not from a business background, something like this, then we have this limiting belief in our mind. Then what is the success belief for this is the reality. Many businessmen like Bill Gates did not have any such experience initially either and were highly successful in running big business, so I can do it. So you have to take inspiration from the successful people, those who do not have an experience into the business, but they are running $1 million companies. So in that case, if it is possible for them, I also can do it. So it is possible for me as well. So you can override your limiting belief with success belief. You can replace the limiting belief with success belief. The second question we get from our logical mind, the doubt we get. I'm a technologist, CEO role are only for people with MBA or business degree. So CEO role if they wanted to play, so not only having the technical skills and also you need to have the skills to manage the business. So they must have to complete a BTech, MBA. So MBA from IIM or MBA from somewhere. So I am currently holding only a technical degree, that is BTech or BE or any technical degree, but I'm not holding the masters in business. So I cannot handle this business, because to handle a business along with the technical, you need to require as a business knowledge also. But you can take the success belief as we all know, the owner of Facebook, right? Mark is an engineer and does not have any business degree and still become a CEO and running multi-billion-dollar company. So he's an engineer. He has not completed his MBA, but still is running a multi-billion-dollar company. If it is possible for him, it's possible for me as well. So you can take such scenario as what you are facing the problem now. So now whatever your limiting belief, we have to identify such people in the market really doing a great job, really achieved, overcome from the same kind of environment or same kind of limiting belief. So we can make that as a success belief. You can consider this is going to be a success belief. Now, the third one is there are many people who are more senior and talented than me. Then we compare with others, saying that my friend or my senior, okay, who got so much of experience, okay, who got first rank in engineering, or who got 85% in the engineering. So are my seniors, they are so talented, all these things, right? So we compare with others. After entering into the spirituality or spiritual knowledge, you should never compare with anybody, but you have to compare with yourself. Last year success and this year success. Okay, this year success to the next year success. You must have to compare within yourself. You should not compare with anybody else. So this is the truth. You must not compare with anybody, but you must have to compare within yourself. So when you compare with other people, you will get depression. You'll get, okay, only that you can see only the points, negative points in you. You'll identify only the negativity in you. So to overcome from that, the success belief is, I recognize that I'm no lesser to anyone in talent. MS Dhoni became the captain of the team, even in the presence of very senior talented players. I too can be like that. So even though there are so many senior players, but still MS Dhoni became the captain of, okay, Indian cricket team. So similarly, Even though there are seniors, there are so talented people, but still I can become, okay, the CEO. So that is where you have to replace your success limiting belief with a success belief. So all these success beliefs are the practical examples. It's not a story, right? It is really happening in the market, what we have seen practically. It is not a story, it is the reality. So if it is the reality for somebody else, it can be a reality for ourselves as well. So that is where you all have to write down your goal. Then you have to write down your limiting belief. What is making you not to achieve this in your life? Then you have to make as the opposite success belief, okay, by seeing or by reading some successful stories in our lifetime we might have seen. Okay, so there are so many successful people, those who started from nothing and they are something right now. They are millionaire or billionaire, or they are become CEO, or they are the celebrities right now in the market. So my dear friends, whatever your goal is, okay, if time permits for you, you can make a note on your notebook right now, or else you can think out about your goal in your mind. Now, we will practice this in our meditation, guided meditation, where we will be just, okay, thinking about your goal. Then what are the limiting beliefs coming from within your mind? You just have to make a note. Then once you are that ready, then you have to visualize that whatever the goal you have written, it has been already achieved. How happy you are. How are you sharing your feelings and happiness with your family, friends, or anybody? So you just have to feel that moment. So that we are all going to experience right now. So this is how I also used to prepare for myself. Let me tell you, the last year when I decided to start a school, there are so many, okay, limiting beliefs came that there are so many competitors in the market. So how can I run a business? How can I get a children? So because this is the first year, but now again I changed that to success belief as Sri Chaitanya and Narayana were not there in the school business before 10 or 15 years. But right now they are the biggest one. If they can do it, why can't me? So they were not there before 10 years. They were not there in the market in the school business. They were only in the colleges. But since 10 years, they took the market. Now they are the big challenges in the market, right? So if they can do it, why can't me? So I changed my limiting belief to the success belief. Now Sri Chaitanya has 3,50,000 students throughout India, right? So Narayan also has around 2,50,000 students. In the only last 10-15 years, they have did this much. They have hundreds of branches throughout India. If they have done it, why not me? I also can do it. So that is where I changed my limiting belief to a success belief. And also, I got a limiting belief. How can I get a funds? How can I get a finance? Because there will be a lot of expenditure. So then I had an example that, okay, director of the Narayana Techno Schools, okay, Mr. Narayan also had nothing before 40 years. He was just working as a tutor. He used to teach mathematics to the as a tuition to the children and also to the college people. He was a tutor before 40 years. Now he built so much of network. So thousands of employees working under him. So more than 200 branches throughout India. How he can able to do it? If it is possible for him, it's possible for me also. So I changed my limiting belief to a success belief. These two are there in my mind. One is about competition and one more is about money. He got support from so many people, otherwise he cannot do it, right? So I also thought, okay, I'm also going to do a good work, so automatically I'll get support from, okay, unexpected sources. So I just believed the trust, so the universe, then I just started it. So my dear friends, we all have a goals, but because of the limiting beliefs, no, we don't know how to correct it, then we keep on changing the goals. Instead of changing the limiting belief to a success belief, lack of awareness or lack of knowledge, what we used to do is we change our goals. So then we keep on changing our goals. So we end up with something else. So that is the reason. Whenever you set a goal, you write it in on our notebook. Then you just write down what are the thoughts coming in your mind immediately, and what are the limiting beliefs are making telling you that it's not possible for you. Then you can see so many. You can study in that business how many successful people are there, then how they got success, they have any background, they have any finance or anything. You can just take an example. There will be surely many people you can find out in the real time world as an example. You can take them as an inspiration. If they can do it, I also can do it. Then automatically your limiting beliefs are changed. Then once you change it, okay, mentally you have to prepare. So then you start working on it, then automatically it is going to become successful. So without changing the limiting beliefs, without changing the belief within our mind, we try to work, no, it won't give the okay, required results. Then we just go on, keep on changing. Now I will give a time to all of you. Think for 2 minutes. Close your eyes. Just think for 2 minutes. What is your goal right now? Just close your eyes. Think about your goal. What is your goal right now? What you want to become? Please think about it. What do you want in the next 6 months? Just think about it. Then think what are the thoughts are coming in your mind. See, there are any limiting beliefs coming in your mind. Every limiting belief had an opposite success belief. Just think about it. You got your own success belief. You are just feeling now. Close your eyes, just feel it. That your goal has been manifested. How happy you are. You are so happy to see that your goal has been manifested. You change your belief system. The goal has manifested. You are in the reality of the manifestation. You are so happy about it. Just feel that moment. Just feel it. As long as you are feeling, you are creating the reality. Feel more good. I'll play the music. Please go in a meditation. Just cross your fingers, cross your legs, close your eyes, be with your breath. In meditation, whatever the energy you get, it all goes to your goal, for achieving of your goal. So then we have the people who got 6.5 lakhs or 7 lakhs, 8 lakhs rupees salary. So those are the case studies what we have. So all the limiting beliefs, we can find one or more success beliefs, so that we have to replace our limiting beliefs with success belief. Then we have to start working. We work so much, but we won't believe, the results won't come, because we are not believing, right? First thing is we have to change our beliefs, then we have to start working. You have good results, good outcome of your dream or career or a goal or anything in the life. So first we have to make a note on a notebook. What is a goal? What is my goal? What I wanted to achieve in the next 6 months. Then what are the limiting beliefs I have? And how can I change my limiting beliefs to a success belief? Then you work on it. You work on it. You don't just sit ideal, right? You work for 6 months, you work for 1 year, or you work for 2 months, or you work for 3 months till you manifest your goal. First thing is writing a goal, identifying the limiting beliefs, then identifying the opposite success beliefs, then change your beliefs in your mindset. Then you start working towards manifesting your goal. Till you manifest, you keep on working. So this is my suggestion to all of you to manifest in any of your goal. Please practice this. You'll achieve tremendous results. Now you can ask a question. Okay, there is a question from Netra madam. Madam, please raise your hand. Yeah. So on success belief, I think there is a book called Biology of Belief. I will send that book name. So on the author also, I think Bruce Lipton wrote a book called Biology of Belief. So that book is enough to change our beliefs. Yes, madam.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning.
Yes, sir. Actually, when I was practicing meditation, you ask us to think about your dream. So, like when I was thinking about my dream, I was getting fear within me. Why is that? Like,
Can you come
in
again? Your voice
present,
is
I got
echoing.
only fear.
Madam, can you repeat your question, please?
When I was thinking about my dream, whatever my goal, I
Okay.
was very much fear. Myself fear I found.
Hmm.
So how to overcome that fear in my head and getting that fear, I don't know. Just whatever I observed in that meditation, the same I'm telling you.
So you mean to say that you are getting fear, is it? Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. So yeah. So you have to write down on the book what are the things making you to get fear. Fear about competition, or fear about the exam, or fear about whether will I become successful or not. So you have to write down all those things. Then you have to write opposite success beliefs.
Okay.
So there are several reasons for getting a fear. Okay.
Okay.
The fear may be because of the competition, or maybe we are not studying as required, or we are not having the knowledge whatever is required. There are so many causes for that. we have to identify what is that cause, then we have to identify that and we have to fix it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, thank you, madam. Any other questions, please? Okay, any video or movie you suggest like The Secret for Success Belief? I'll find out. Yeah, there is some video. I'll just find out. I'll post the link in the WhatsApp group, madam. So here, okay, in this chart, I'll show you some of the people what they used to have in general. You can see here, common identity beliefs. Those are, I don't have time, I don't have enough patience, I don't have enough education, I don't have enough experience. These are the things. I'm not smart, I'm not creative, I'm not intuitive, and I'm not talented, I'm not resourceful, or I'm not energetic, or I'm not focused. These are the limited beliefs what you have. Generally, everyone needs to have, right? So, okay, I would not know where to start. I'm not the type to be self-motivated. Okay, these are the things what we come across, right? So to overcome from all these, we just have another slide. And also there are common money beliefs. Without money, I'm worth nothing. The more money I have, the more problems I will have. So all these are the beliefs about money what everybody is to have. Now, about the business. When someone wants to start a business, I don't have enough experience. I don't have enough money saved up to start my business. The market is not doing well right now. This is what worked in the past. So let's continue doing it. The economy has not fully recovered, so people are not buying. So all these are the limiting beliefs what we used to have, okay, in business, okay, and in money and in general. So these are the limiting beliefs. When we identify the limiting belief within ourselves, then we can find out, okay, the alternative success belief also automatically it comes, okay, just by understanding the root cause, right? Once we understand the root cause, then we can easily overcome from the limiting belief to a successful belief. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, madam. These are very good books by Napoleon. Thank you. Rajesh sir, please mention the book names so that it will be helpful to everyone. Please share WhatsApp join group.
Hi, sir. How are you? Ravindra Garu.
I am
And
doing
hi
good,
to
sir. I
everyone
am
in
doing
India.
good. Yeah. Your views on today's session?
Yeah, today's session is extremely good. Like you're asking us to set up the goals and work on the goals positively. So that's really good things. Actually, couple of things I generally do that one, but like I'm seeing more positive light after your session. And I'm thinking that like I mean that approach is good. So sometimes we set up a goal and we contradict ourselves actually. Like I did not have, I did not thought about the limiting beliefs. Now I can think, okay, these are the limiting beliefs and these are the successful beliefs. And if we can focus on the successful beliefs, that is really good actually.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that's a good session, sir. Really, I like it. Regarding Napoleon Hill, there are a lot of books by him, sir. Like there is success. Law of Success is one of the good books
Okay.
by him. And
Okay.
second thing is that like just a minute, it is in my it is in my shelf. I will show you. Give me 1 minute. I'll show you.
Yes, sir.
So there is one book by him called Think and Grow Rich. So that is one of the famous.
Think and Grow Rich, right? So author name, sir?
Hello?
Author name, sir?
Napoleon Hill, I told you, right?
Okay,
It's
same
one
author.
same author. Let me share my video.
Yeah.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. We can see your screen.
Okay, this is one book. And there is one more book I can show you. It's called Magic Ladder of Success.
Okay.
And anything based on this guy. It's called Positive Mental Attitude.
Yeah.
So those are the couple of good books actually. You can go through this. And there is Think and Grow Rich is one of the famous book by him actually. That's the main thing actually. If we can focus, get that one in India. I mean, you can get that one in YouTube too actually.
Okay. In YouTube, it's there.
Yeah, Think and Grow Rich. That is the one which made him really popular in America in 90s, 30s, and around that time.
Oh, that's great, sir.
Mhm. Those are the good books, sir. If anybody really interested in them, they can get them and read those things.
Sure, sir. Surely we'll do it.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you very much. Karim Basha, please raise your hand. Okay. Anyone else want to share your experience? Please raise your hand. Any questions? Also, please feel free to ask. Okay, I want few people to share their experience about attending this 21-day session, because by today it is 19th day. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow is going to be the last. So I want few people to share their experience. Okay, so I would be expecting few participants to share their experience so that it helps us. And also we request everyone to write your experience in WhatsApp group, because next month onwards we would be um, planning to do the sessions for 21 days on regular basis. So that is it. We want all your experiences. Yeah, Jafar, you can unmute yourself and you can speak. Whoever want to share your experience, please unmute yourself and please talk. This is the time, my dear friends, where you can share your experience so that it will be helpful to so many people. So please share your whatever you felt, right? We need experience sharing from everyone, and also you have to share your experience in the WhatsApp group, because we are going to send these testimonials to the colleges, because I want to do 21 days meditation programs to the colleges final year students from next month onwards, so that we want to take to that level where we can help them with all this 21 days program, so that they can come out of with a good learning in their life. Otherwise, we all know how the final year people would be coming. Most of them with a fear, okay, with lack of confidence in their lives to achieve something in their life. So many things are there. So at least when they know about spirituality and meditation, so that they can become more successful. So this is what I felt after started these sessions. So we would be doing sessions right now for the colleges. I'll be approaching the colleges. So I would be doing the sessions for college final year students. So for that reason, we need experiences from everyone to share on WhatsApp group so that it will be helpful to everybody. Yeah, I think someone is going to share your experience, right? Karthik, please share your experience. Karthik, are you there?
Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
So today's is a great session, sir.
Yeah, thank you very much.
While doing meditation, I couldn't feel my body.
Okay.
But sometimes when I'm doing meditation, I'm getting a lot of headaches, sir. And I am unable to sit for a long time.
Yeah, it happens because the headache might be there in the past, or it may come in the future. Just it is kind of permanent healing. So you just have to go with that pain. So it is going to permanently heal from your body. It will be taken away from your body. You just have to go with that pain. Means that you are just have to bear the pain.
Yeah, okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Raj Kishore, please share your experience. Yes, Himaja, please share your experience.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
I'm Himaja. I'm doing 2 hours of meditation daily.
Very good.
And actually, I will be having many negative beliefs,
Hmm.
but I can't able to change those beliefs. But after attending your sessions, like you told many things like about positive thoughts and beliefs, how to change our beliefs. Then I get to know that for everything, if you want to change, for everything we have to do meditation, because only due to meditation we can able to change anything. So
Yes.
I started doing meditation, like I increased doing meditation my time. So previously I will be doing like 1 hour, that's it, but now I am doing 2 hours of meditation.
That's great.
Yeah, your classes are very nice, sir. It's very inspirational.
Thank you.
So this is my experience, sir.
So what is your major learnings from these sessions?
Yeah, starting I will be thinking like, if we want to change our thoughts or if we want to change our beliefs, just we have to focus on our thoughts and beliefs. But now I get to know from you that only because of meditation we'll get energy, and with that energy only we can able to change our thoughts and beliefs.
Yes.
So the main thing is meditation. I learned this from you, sir.
Thank you very much. Himaja, you are doing a lot of service also. We are very thankful to you. Your
Thank you,
family
sir.
also is into meditation and doing a lot of service. Thankful to you, your family as well. Keep doing
Thank you,
it more.
sir. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Yes, madam.
Oh, Ravi, yeah. Hello, Ravindra Garu.
Yes, madam.
Sorry, I missed today's class. Actually, I was talking to Vani ma'am, and
Okay.
somehow I missed it. I'm feeling so bad. Like, oh my gosh. So I just joined to see what you all discussed and what I missed today. I know I
Okay.
will go back and listen to our discussion, but
Okay.
I'm feeling like, oh, why did I miss my learning today?
You are there in the WhatsApp
So
group?
I am, sir. Yeah.
Okay, you are there in the WhatsApp group. We'll share the link where you can download the recordings, no?
What was the topic, today's topic, sir?
So how meditation helps to manifest our goals?
Oh, the manifestation. Is this manifestation is the same like a doing visualization, we do the manifestation. Is that the same thing?
Yeah. Almost the same. So here we talked about what are the limiting beliefs every person needs to have whenever they wanted to start a business, right? So or whenever they
Mm-hmm.
wanted to start their career, what is the kind of limiting beliefs they used to have? How to overcome from that? For example,
Oh, okay.
is like if somebody want to start their company, they will have some limiting beliefs. How can I achieve it, right? So to overcome from that, there will be success beliefs. First, we have to change the belief. Then we have to meditate more and more. Then we have to work, and also we visualize. So it will connect with us more. Once we believe, we can visualize more. Once we won't believe, we cannot visualize for more than some amount of time.
Yeah, that is so correct, sir. So I have a question. Like, when you meditate, you go to the empty state,
Yeah.
and then during that empty state, do you visualize, or what stage you have to manifest if you
No,
want
for
anything to be?
visualization, okay, once you start your meditation also you can visualize, okay, for
Mm-hmm.
7 or 8 minutes. Then after that you can continue your meditation, okay. That is one step. The other step is
Mm-hmm.
you are regularly doing meditation whenever you would like to visualize, okay, you can visualize, right? So there are two things. It is not only, okay, what I used to practice is first I start my visualization, okay, then I start meditation automatically. I sit in meditation posture, but I start my visualization for 10 minutes, then I continue my meditation.
Oh, okay. Okay. So before going to you start with the visualization, what
Yeah.
you want to achieve, and then you go to meditation.
Yeah.
So when you go to empty state and deep meditation, then it will automatically impact. That's what you don't need to do
Yes.
anything or recollect anything, right?
No.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So, yeah, I'm sorry, I'm asking you the
Yeah.
questions in the
Yeah.
last minute. So, when you visualize and do meditation, and you have to go to the empty state
No,
in
you
order
don't
to
expect to
achieve
go to
those.
empty state, it will happen automatically. See, if we are doing
Oh.
meditation, if we expect something, it did not happen. So our expectation is only that we just go in a depression.
Mm-hmm.
Because I sit in a meditation, I want to get empty state, I did not get, I won't feel comfortable. Not like that. See, some days it
Mm-hmm.
will come, some days it won't come. Some days you have empty mind for 30 minutes, some days you have 10 minutes, some days you have 5 minutes, some days you are so disturbed because of so many thoughts. It happens on
Correct.
regular process, right? So you
Mm-hmm.
have to accept everything, whatever comes in meditation. Automatically the empty state happens, then thoughtless state happens. These are the comes on regular basis.
Mm-hmm. Okay, just I'm trying to understand. Do we need to know? Yeah,
Yeah.
that's true. I experience same thing, sir. Like, sometimes I don't get it, and whole 1 hour I'll be
Yes.
thinking. I
Yes.
feel so. I won't even feel refreshed that I'm looking for.
Mm.
But that's where I made sure, like, no matter what happens, you just keep doing that because it is good. Just you have to believe that it's good for you, so you have to do it. That is the point I came into. So that way, it is good. So you do it no matter what it is, right? You don't give
Yeah.
up.
Yes, that's true. Because if you are doing meditation only for getting an empty mind, that is an expectation. No,
Correct. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's what. Just, yeah, do your best. Try to
it
focus
comes
as long as
automatically.
possible.
Naturally, it
Yeah, it
comes.
comes. Correct. Exactly. I have seen that. So just keep doing repeat things, and it will come. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much, madam. Thanks a lot.
So do you work? You said you work at IBM, right?
I worked in IBM. I left
Oh,
IBM in 2013. We
oh,
started our own business. Since 2013, I
oh,
am doing my business. We do training and
oh,
recruitment in Bangalore,
oh, okay.
training for the people to get a job in IT industry. Then we
Oh,
train them
vendor,
and
like a
yeah, we train.
consultancy.
Yeah, we train and we do recruitment also. So
Hmm.
we are doing since last 7 years. We have been
Oh,
placed
okay.
successfully 550 people working throughout India
Wow, that's
in all the
nice.
MNC
Yeah, let
companies.
me know, sir. Like, I'm also working here.
Yeah,
If you need to work on anyone, the
yeah,
beginners or anything, I am happy to do just volunteering thing.
sure,
So,
madam.
I can work with young kids.
Yeah,
Especially this group is very young and they want to, inspire from from
yeah,
us, like, you know, you or
true.
whoever is working. So we can tell them, nothing is big deal. You just have to. So yeah, let me know anything. I'm happy to help you out.
Surely, madam. Thank
Not
you
like
very
as an
much.
employee, but just like a volunteering.
Yeah, sure. Thank you very much, madam. Thank you very much.
Hmm. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, madam. Yes,
Uh,
Netra, madam, please share your experience. Yeah.
my question is related to the same one, visualization, what Madam asked you just before.
Okay.
Do we need to visualize throughout the meditation? Like if I'm doing meditation for an hour, 1.5 hour, whatever the 30 minutes, should
Mm.
I imagine or should I visualize throughout the meditation?
Not required, not really required. So you want minimum visualization time is required is for 10 minutes, madam. Up to maximum 1 hour or 2 hours, it's your choice.
Okay.
You wanted to manifest at the earliest, you visualize more. Okay. You want to manifest it later, so you'll visualize less. So you want to manifest at the earliest moment, then while doing meditation, you can visualize as much as time, but minimum is 10 minutes. But secret says that is 7 to 8 minutes, but up to 10 minutes you can go on visualizing.
Okay. Okay. Nice. I thought like I have to visualize throughout the meditation. Actually,
Throughout
I did.
meditation, every day it's not that much possible, right? Because we get so many, keep on getting the thoughts and everything will be there, no? Part
Yeah.
of our life.
Yeah. Okay.
So that is the reason you just spend for 10 minutes so that you have clarity with what you are visualizing, right? Then
Yeah.
you spend more time some days, right? When you are so excited, you can keep on increasing, not wrong in that. But you have to go with the flow.
Okay. And one more thing I wanted to share with you.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I'm feeling to meditate so much of time. Yesterday night, like I woke up and I tried to meditate
Hmm.
around 2 o'clock.
Hmm.
Like from 2 to 3:30, I simply without posting anything, I sat for 1.5 hours. That
Okay.
that to at that point of time, it was very awesome.
Hmm.
Um, yes, I don't know how to express in the words that energy I felt exactly one of the good energy was like forcing to enter into in my body.
That's great.
That was awesome experience. Like as soon as I wake up in the morning, I'm very happy and things are going very smooth. And I become so much of aware of everything. Like my
Okay.
alertness is improved.
Hmm.
I want to share. Because of that only, like I can experience my fear also within me. Maybe it was there previously also, but I
Hmm.
was not aware of it. Just it all are going on, busy schedules, busy thinking. Mind was working so much of things. So what is happening within me and what was happening around me was also I was not aware of it. Maybe so many of them like that only in this period of time. So after this meditation, continuously I'm doing like hour or 2 hours. I'm experiencing so much of thing, new things. Uh, Thank you, sir. Like
Thank you very much, madam.
Thank you.
Thank you. Keep on doing. You manifest your goal. We are happy to see that. We will be waiting for to see your goal is going to get manifested.
So, sir, so thank you. All of your best blessings are there. So many masters are there. I think all of their energy will also connected to me now because we are all doing meditation together. So definitely, it will happen. Definitely, you all energies are helping me. Thank you. Thank you,
Yes, ma'am.
everyone.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Yeah, I think Rishika madam want to share her experience. Yes, madam. Please unmute yourself.
Hello, sir.
Yes, madam.
I had joined this session just before 2 to 3 days, and I'm learning to meditate right now.
Okay.
And today's topic was very useful for me as I'm yet unable to meditate properly. And the goal what I was setting for myself, this topic has been motivated me a lot, and I'm. I just want to share one of my thoughts that before I meditate or keep, I do have the lot of negativity into me that I had a gap of 1 year into through my professional career right now for my family purpose, and I want to join in for the job again.
Okay.
But I get the negative thoughts throughout that how should I manage it? I'm not able to handle it through. I do give my best. I try my to enhance my skills as well. I keep trying for the jobs as well.
Okay. So you're trying for a job, you're not getting any opportunities, or how it's like that?
No, actually, I do have an experience of 1 year. I'm a fresher pass out of 2018,
Okay.
and I'm trying. I had an experience of 1 year, and then for the family reasons, I had to leave the job, and I had to settle with my dad. And now I want to join it again.
Okay.
So I'm trying it. I do get opportunities, but there are some tasks that they give that I'm not able to do it right now because of the higher demands of the companies with the skill sets.
Okay. See, okay, one is, okay, if you are not getting the calls, means that less calls, you just have to change your belief that there are so many requirements in the market. The second one is, if you are not able to meet the expectations, then you have to spend minimum 2 to 3 hours to improve your technical knowledge to reach to the expectations of the company.
Yeah, I'm doing it.
These two things, if you are able to include, or if you're able to implement it, I hope you can see the best result.
Yes, yeah, surely, sir. Just I wanted to learn more of you and the meditation, and so that I can focus over my goal as well as I can keep myself calm down and have and visualize my goals as well.
Yes, you can.
Yes.
So what you do from today's session, right? You just buy a notebook, write down your goal, and see what limiting beliefs are coming from your mind, right? So what is making you not to achieve, right? You just write down the limiting beliefs. If you did not get the success belief, you let me know. I can help you on that. What is the success belief for that? So you can make a success belief. You start believing it. Then you start changing of your belief system. Then you meditate more. Then you will manifest it.
Yes, yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you
You
so
are
much.
there in the WhatsApp group?
Yes, I am there in WhatsApp.
Okay, you just write your goal and the limiting beliefs. Whatever the help is required, you please contact. Then we will help you for sure.
Yes, yes. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Anyone else wants to share experience? Please go ahead. Okay, my dear friends, thank you very much for everyone to join the session on today. So tomorrow, again, we'll have a session at 9 o'clock in the morning. And on day of tomorrow is our last class. So we have a speaker coming from Australia. So he is an excellent master, and he had a lot of experiences. We'll listen to him. And before closing the session, we'll listen to the experience of Akanksha. Yes, Akanksha, you can unmute yourself. Please unmute yourself.
Yeah, hello, sir.
Yeah.
Good morning, sir. Good morning.
Very good morning.
Yes, sir. My sister wants to share something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Very good morning.
Sir, I really want to thank you, sir. I was not a continuous part of this session, but
Okay.
yes, I was involved in 1 or 2 session of yours, sir.
Okay.
And whatever you told your real experience, and even a lot of people have shared their own experience, like how it goes in their office, what all sorts of issues they have. So I was really able to connect with all of them, sir. And especially about your parents, sorry, about your father, that was really inspiring. And
Yeah.
lot of us has got positivity, sir. Even my parents, I tell them, don't think about anything, just think you are well, just
Yeah.
have your mind a healthy mind. So it was really helpful, sir. I would like thank you from my from my bottom of my heart, sir. And
Most
even
welcome.
like whatever issue we have at the company, so whatever you told, that don't take it to heart, and every time like do good to others, the good will come to you. So that was really good, sir. So I have taken lot of positivity, sir, and lot of good points from your session. Like really sorry was not able to not able to participate continuously, but yeah, I got your recordings and all. So I have thought I will go through them when I have time.
Yeah.
But thank you, sir.
Please.
That's all
Thank
I
you
want.
very much. We are very happy being part of this session. So please continue meditating. You'll see the miracles in the life.
Yeah, yes, sir. I'm also looking forward to it.
Thank you. Thank you, Akanksha.
Thank you, sir.
You share your experience. How do you feel?
Yeah, sir. Okay. Sir, it's really great, sir. That day you share your experience, your father's experience. So my parents also wanted to start meditation. So they start meditation, doing meditation, sir, 15 to 10 minutes. So it's really great, sir. Like peace of mind we feel. Yes, sir, it's great, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for that, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you very
Yes,
much.
thank you.
Thanks a lot. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Okay, friends. So we'll end the session now. We all will meet tomorrow at 9 o'clock. Thank you all.